Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Oral-B Electric is probably one of the most popular electric toothbrushes on the market, and for good reason. It combines advanced cleaning technology with a user-friendly design, making it a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their oral hygiene routine. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and overall performance of the Oral-B Electric, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your pearly whites. Number 5. AquaSonic Black Series Electric Toothbrush. This is a world-class electric toothbrush packed with the latest technology. It features a powerful motor and a sleek, waterproof design, making it a modern choice for oral care. The Black Series has earned the prestigious ADA seal of approval. It's proven to effectively remove plaque and help prevent gingivitis, ensuring a healthier smile. This toothbrush brings you into modern times with its enhanced features. It includes a long-lasting lithium-ion battery and wireless charging, along with multiple brushing modes and a smart timer. Included are 8 DuPont brush heads, ensuring you're set for about 2.5 years. Also included is a convenient travel case, perfect for on-the-go use. Inside the box, you'll find the AquaSonic Black Series Smart Toothbrush, a wireless charging base, 8 brush heads, a travel case, a warranty card, and a user manual. It's everything you need for complete oral care. What we like. This toothbrush boasts an incredibly powerful motor, delivering 40,000 vibrations per minute for a superior clean. It's also ADA accepted, so you know it meets high standards for oral health. If you're looking for a toothbrush that combines power, effectiveness, and long-term value with the included brush heads, this is a great choice. What people say. The toothbrush has a timer that ensures you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. The brush head is small enough to get to the back teeth. The toothbrush has different cleaning modes, such as whitening and gum care. Number 4. AquaSonic Black Series Pro Electric Toothbrush. This is the next generation of the best-selling Black Series toothbrush. It features advanced technology for a superior clean. It's designed to give you a healthier smile. The Black Series Pro has a powerful motor with 50,000 vibrations per minute. It offers 5 brushing modes, including clean, soft, whiten, massage, and deep clean. This provides a customized oral care experience. Enjoy the convenience of wireless charging. The battery lasts up to 30 days on a single charge. This makes it perfect for home and travel use. The toothbrush is waterproof with an IPX7 rating. The satin touch handle ensures a comfortable, non-slip grip. You can even brush in the shower. The package includes 6 ProFlex brush heads, which can last up to 18 months. A premium travel case is also included for protection and hygiene. Take it with you wherever you go. What we like. This model takes oral care to the next level with its 5 distinct brushing modes, offering a customized experience. The long-lasting battery is perfect for travel. If you value personalized cleaning options and the convenience of extended battery life, this is the one for you. What people say. The toothbrush has a timer that ensures you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. The brush head is small enough to get to the back teeth. The toothbrush has different cleaning modes, such as whitening and gum care. Number 3. AquaSonic Duo, Dual-Handle Electric Toothbrushes. Introducing the AquaSonic Duo, designed for complete oral care. This set includes 2 smart toothbrushes, perfect for couples or anyone who values a healthy smile. It's a simple and effective solution for your daily routine. Experience the latest in oral care technology with 40,000 vibrations per minute. The Duo features true wireless charging and a long-lasting 30-day battery life. It's modern, convenient, and always ready for use. This toothbrush offers 3 unique modes, including whitening and gum health settings. A smart vibrating timer ensures you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. It makes sure you get the most out of every brushing session. Available in midnight black and optic white, the Duo boasts a sleek, ergonomic design. It also comes with travel cases, making it ideal for on-the-go use. You can maintain your oral hygiene routine wherever you are. Each Duo set includes 10 DuPont brush heads and 2 travel cases. There's no need to buy extra accessories. Everything you need for a complete oral care experience is already included in the box. What we like. This set is designed for couples or anyone who wants a complete oral care solution for 2. It comes with 2 handles, multiple brush heads, and travel cases. If you're looking for a convenient and comprehensive oral care package to share, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The toothbrush has a timer that ensures you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. The brush head is small enough to get to the back teeth. The toothbrush has different cleaning modes, such as whitening and gum care. Number 2. Genkent replacement brush heads for Oral-B Braun. This pack includes 16 replacement brush heads, perfect for the whole family. It's a great value, allowing you to save money and replace them as needed. Each head has a color ring, so everyone can easily identify their own. These brush heads are designed to fit a wide range of Oral-B electric toothbrushes. They work with models like Vitality and Professional Care. However, they are not compatible with Vitality Sonic, Sonic Complete, AquaSonic, Cross-Action Power and IO. The brush heads use soft and flexible DuPont bristles. They are durable and won't easily fall out, ensuring a comfortable and effective brushing experience. You can use them with confidence. The angled bristles are designed to reach deep between your teeth. They clean around the teeth and remove more plaque along the gum line compared to a manual toothbrush. This design provides a superior clean. Replacing the brush head is simple. Just pull off the old one and snap the new one on. Make sure to press the head firmly during installation to secure it. It's easy to use. What we like. This is a cost-effective solution for replacing your brush heads. It offers a large pack, ensuring you have replacements on hand. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on quality, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The toothbrush has a timer that ensures you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. The brush head oscillates, rotates, and pulsates to remove plaque. The toothbrush has different cleaning modes, such as daily clean, gum care, and sensitive. Number 1. Oral-B Pro 5000 Smartseries Black Electric Toothbrush. This is the Oral-B Pro 5000. It provides a superior clean and helps you achieve 100% healthier gums compared to a regular manual toothbrush. You'll feel the difference. The toothbrush features Bluetooth connectivity, providing real-time feedback on your brushing habits. It helps you to improve your oral hygiene. Its 3D cleaning action oscillates, rotates, and pulsates to break up plaque. This removes more plaque along the gum line than a regular manual toothbrush. A pressure sensor lights up if you brush too hard, protecting your gums. It also offers 5 modes: daily clean, gum care, sensitive, whitening, and deep clean. To maintain the battery, fully discharge the handle at least every 6 months. This will help to extend the life of the rechargeable battery. The package includes a case and a charger. It's everything you need for a superior clean and healthier gums. What we like. This toothbrush offers real-time feedback on your brushing habits through Bluetooth connectivity. It also features a pressure sensor to protect your gums. If you're looking for a smart toothbrush that provides personalized guidance and a superior clean, this is the one for you. What people say. The toothbrush has a timer that helps you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. The toothbrush has different cleaning modes, such as whitening and gum care. The toothbrush comes with a charging station and a travel case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.